I know.
There's reverse in this. I didn't know that.
Press and hold the brake. Press and hold this button.
Okay.
It will go reverse.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. Slowly release the throttle.
Can I? How to switch off this?
1 minute, bro. Just press and hold the same thing again. Press and hold this. Oh, how do you switch it off?
Too much tech for Papa.
How do you switch it? Climb.
So today, thanks to Ultra Wallet and thanks to Tribal Adventures in Bangalore for setting up a off-road riding event, जहाँ पे Ultra Wallet provided their X47 and we were led by a team of instructors to ride around the Tribal Adventure track. Also, हम लोगों ने छोटा सा एक 5-6 किलोमीटर का ट्रेल भी किया, where we also face some decent obstacles.
This is first time riding electric bike on off-road. Hey, when is Shockwave coming?
Huh?
Shockwave.
End of this year.
Soon. Okay.
End of the year.
तो ये इवेंट जो था अल्ट्रा वॉलेट की तरफ से था टू शोकेस देयर X47's capabilities. सिंस अभी आज ही मैंने राइड किया एंड एवरीथिंग इज फ्रेश इन माय ब्रेन, माय गोल्डफिश ब्रेन, तो मैंने सोचा मैं अभी उगल देता हूँ सब कुछ. 24 आवर्स के बाद थोड़ा रीसेट हो जाता है ब्रेन. एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट टाइम दैट आई हैव एवर रिडन electric bike properly, that also straight on off-road.
Like here, macha.
Ooh.
Oh, sorry, bacha.
Yeah. You gave him bath.
It was very interesting. Let me share my experience. I have ridden electric bikes before, scooters and all, but not extensively. हाँ, ये एक और चीज मैं क्लियर करना चाहता हूँ. Do not say this is an off-road motorcycle. It's not an off-road motorcycle, right? Even the Ultra Wallet peeps, Gen Z words, and the Ultra Wallet peeps told that this is like a crossover bike which can do kind of everything, but it's not an off-road motorcycle from any margin. Though वो चाहते थे कि हम लोग इन सब मोटरसाइकिल को डिफरेंट टेरेन्स पे टेस्ट करें. तो लेट मी शेयर माय थॉट अबाउट इलेक्ट्रिक मोटरसाइकिल X47 क्रॉसओवर. ओके, पहली चीज, वी नो इट्स अ हैवी मोटरसाइकिल, समवॉट 200 kg प्लस और समथिंग, राइट. तो मेरी तो पहले ही मेरे दिमाग में था मेरे कि बहुत भारी बाइक होने वाली, कैसे चलाएंगे इसको ऑफ रोड में. इट्स गोना बी सो weird, especially with the suspension travel and all, nothing there. पता नहीं कैसे हम लोग will do all those obstacles. हम लोग ने टायर किया, हम लोग ने we went through the sand and all, deep ruts and all. हम लोग ने सब कुछ किया इसके ऊपर. Okay, and the bike was able to do it. Not the best way it can do, but it was able to do it. And जो riders थे हमारे साथ, it was mix of riders. ये नहीं कि सब off road वाले हैं इसलिए चला लिए. There were riders who have not done off road only previously, and they were able to do all these things. They were able to manage all these obstacles on this motorcycle. I think the reason, because even though it's heavy, but for me the biggest plus point of this motorcycle was the balance. Very well balanced motorcycle, yeah. Very well balanced. I think that's because कि इसका बैटरी पैक जो है it's much more lower to the ground, right? So center of gravity बहुत नीचे है इसका. Fuel तो डालना नहीं होता है उसमें, right? There is no fuel on top. So all the weight is down below. It feels so light. I'm gonna say it felt like a toy. I don't know if it's the correct term to use. Maybe we'll say toy, तो ये खिलौना जैसी बाइक हो गई. नहीं, खिलौना जैसी बोल रहा हूँ. It feels very light like a toy. Though it's a 200 kg motorcycle. And we were taking slow speed, tight turns and stuff. And it can easily manage the slow speed, tight turns and all. I was very impressed by all that. Trust me, I am not an electric guy. I am still an ice guy. I still love my ices, my ice creams. But first impression लगा मैं बता रहा हूँ. It was so well managed, man. Right? And there are 3 modes. Glide है, फिर combat है, फिर ballistic है. तो I was riding in ballistic. Starting of the sections, all I did in ballistic. I can easily do static balance on this motorcycle. 2 के speed पे इसको आराम से crawl भी कर सकते हो. The kind of power delivery you do know, it's so nice power delivery. दूसरी चीज मेरे को बहुत अच्छा जो इसमें लगा था, वो है आपका Riders Triangle. The Riders Triangle is very good on this motor. See, off-road में एक चीज मेरे को drawbacks क्या लगा इसमें, कि footpeg स्ट्रीट वाले फुटपैग हैं, तो इट्स नॉट गोना वर्क आउट व्हेन यू डूइंग स्टैंडिंग राइडिंग एंड ऑल. यू कैन डू इट, बट इट्स नॉट दैट ग्रेट. फॉर दैट नाउ आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू शॉकवेव.
लेट्स गो. अरे गजब. अरे हीरो.
मींस आई वाज वेरी इंप्रेस्ड विद दिस मोटरसाइकिल. नॉट वेरी इंप्रेस्ड, बट इंप्रेस्ड लाइक भाई इतनी क्या नाम है हैवी गाड़ी ठीक ठाक परफॉर्म कर रही है ऑफ रोड मीन्स इफ समवन हैड टू गो थ्रू सर्टेन सेक्शन एंड दे हैव नो अदर ऑप्शन दे कैन आराम से गो थ्रू ऑल दीज डर्ट पैचेस एंड ऑल जैसे कि यू आर गोइंग फ्रॉम पॉइंट ए टू पॉइंट बी एंड यू प्लान अ रूट एंड इन मिडिल ऑफ द रूट सडनली यू हैव बैड पैचेस you can आराम से do those bad patches on this motorcycle. I'm not saying you'll buy this motorcycle and do trails and stuff specifically. वो नहीं होने वाला है. I don't think so anyone is gonna do that. I won't recommend because there were scenarios जहाँ पे मैंने jump वम लेने की कोशिश की and it just bottomed out. And it is expected यार ये bottom out करेगी वहाँ. तो एक आपका हो गया balance हो गया, एक आपका rider's triangle हो गया which is very nice. Brakes I'll say not that great, decent. स्पेशली रेयर ब्रेक तो मेरे को ज्यादा पसंद नहीं आया इसका पावर डिलीवरी आई लव द पावर डिलीवरी द फनी पार्ट वाज कि आई वाज ऑन बैलिस्टिक फॉर द फर्स्ट सेशन जहाँ पे हम लोग ऑब्स्टिकल्स कर रहे थे फिर उसके बाद हम लोग ट्रेल करने गए तो पता नहीं क्या हुआ आई चेंज द सेटिंग्स फ्रॉम बैलिस्टिक टू ग्लाइड
I don't know how I went to glide mode. I've been riding in glide mode from that. Now I saw him glide mode.
पहला जो ऑप्शन होता है आपका बहुत ही लीनियर पावर ज्यादा बैटरी भी नहीं खाता उस मोड में ओके इट वाज माय मिस्टेक फॉर श्योर मोड को चेंज करने के लिए ना सेम पावर बटन यूज करना पड़ता है टू स्विच ऑन द मोटरसाइकिल सो बेसिकली टू स्विच ऑन द मोटरसाइकिल यू हैव टू होल्ड द ब्रेक एंड देन होल्ड द पावर बटन देन एक सिंबल आता है ग्रीन कलर का और फिर बाइक मतलब कि इज रेडी टू गो
Sorted.
I might have done something wrong and I changed the mode there. Or then I did all the full trail in glide mode, which is the least powerful mode. The funny part, I was able to do full trail in glide mode. सबका बैटरी जो था ना, it went to 80% and all. मेरा बैटरी by the end of the trail and everything was at 89%. मैंने कहा ये क्या बात है? I was trying to slide my rear. It is sliding but not as much as everyone else. So what is this man? Why am I not able to slide my rear यार? जब राइड खत्म हो गई तब मैंने देखा मैं साला ग्लाइड पे हूँ तो वहां पे मैंने थोड़ा गलती की लेकिन इससे एक चीज देखने को मिली कि एक्चुअली यू कैन मैनेज ऑल दीस ट्रेल्स एंड ऑल इन ग्लाइड आल्सो एंड यू हैव गुड अमाउंट ऑफ बैटरी लेफ्ट आफ्टर दैट एंड एज आई सेड ना बहुत लोग हमारे ग्रुप में दे वर नॉट ट्रेल फ्रेंडली पीपल हु हैव नॉट डन ट्रेल्स एंड ऑल एंड दे वर एबल टू मैनेज ऑल दिस इंटरमीडिएट थोड़ा सा बीच में सेक्शन था दे वर एबल टू मैनेज ऑन दिस मोटरसाइकिल ओके लेट्स कम टू वन फीडबैक एक फीडबैक था मेरा सिंस दिस वन डजंट हैव गियर राइट So it doesn't have gear lever. वो place empty है. Means your left hand is free. So instead of keeping it free, हम लोग वहाँ पे rear brake डाल सकते हैं. That will help us manage the bike so much better. Like Activa में भी क्या होता है? Right में आपका front brake होता है, left में आपका rear brake होता है. We can do the same thing on these. Why not? Means I feel having both your brakes on the handlebar makes the bike so much more flexible flexible I'll say especially in off-road situation and thankfully I'm used to this setting because Africa Twin में भी same है क्योंकि उसमें gear lever होता नहीं है at home on this motorcycle you can say so scooty then yeah it's like scooty only man why not why have all the all the controls on the right hand side and it's not like it's something difficult to learn everyone rides scooter so everyone is used to it. One more thing I want to talk about the look. They have their F77 Super Street, F77 Mark II and all those. With the design wise, look wise, I like their F77s. But riding wise, as a motorcycle whole, as a riding experience, I like the X47. But yeah, this bike also looks very nice. It's so much easier to slide your rear dude on this. That one thing I loved about this motorcycle. It's so much easier to slide your rear. So much easier to drift and all. So much fun on dirt. Like you can put engine braking at multiple level. It's a region basically, but it acts like when you ride and you switch off the power, it acts like engine braking. So that was good to have. That I liked. Other than that, I didn't test anything else because like इनका जो LiDAR, radar system है वो सब मैंने कुछ test नहीं किया. I was more focused on the riding capabilities because I really don't care about techs. I never cared about tech before, nor I will. I care about how the bike feels like. Traction control was totally off. ABS was off for the rear because we were going through off-road section. When you're doing off-road, you don't need all that. So tech भी on नहीं था इसका because it's very intrusive. Battery braking, yeah, engine braking नहीं इसमें battery braking. Exactly, we can call that. But it works. It feels nice. एक और चीज हाँ, because the weight of the bike it was much more stable. Like on sand and all, like the front was not just flying around everywhere. that way the weight was actually helping in gaining more traction off-road. Good feedback from the front. It's a front heavy motorcycle. So when you take a jump also na, it just wants to nosedive. Obviously you shouldn't be taking jump on this motorcycle. It's not meant for that. It'll be perfect for those who cry about vibration. Yeah, no vibration whatsoever. It's like a street bike which you can ride kind of like a street bike, like a naked bike. Naked bike को भी आप off-road ले जा सकते हो ना, वैसे इसको भी हम लोग ले गए थे, ऐसा ही समझ लो. It's a bike for everyone, if they want an electric bike, that is. Like anyone can easily manage these bikes. How's the sound? Zui, dude. Actually, I don't mind the sound. What I mind is not having that ice wala character to have some kind of vibrations. Sound is actually not that bad. Zui, it is actually fun. Indian brand, yeah, it is an Indian brand. To be honest, I won't trust any adventure EV bikes in. It is not an adventure bike, first of all. Now don't want to rogue debris to cut through random, leaving me stranded. That was one point कि मैंने यही point उठाया. नीचे तो बैच प्लेट है नहीं, प्लास्टिक है, कुछ फाइबर है, और हम लोग थोड़ा जंप भी ले रहे थे. उसमें अगर कुछ धस जाए जाके और बैटरी फट जाए तो फिर. So then they told a story. एक बंदा चला रहा था इस बाइक को and he fell in a ditch or something and something went through the battery pack. So they have a safety feature in which as soon some kind of impact happens with the battery, the bike just switches off. So nothing happened to him. He had to change the battery pack and it was fixed. But yeah, you will be stranded. Either you do not buy this bike to go to off-road and all. It can manage it and manage it आराम से. It can manage in the sense, हाँ आ गए बीच में तो आपने कर लिया. आपको निकाल देगी आपको उस एरिया से आराम से. इतना है और आराम से निकाली. ये नहीं पत्थर वत्थर जाके गाड़ी कुदा रहे. It looks so cool. Those USD folks looks damn cool. Yeah. Can you put straight flow exhaust? Sadly, you can't. Is it too heavy to push around in parking or its battery died? No, actually it's not heavy to push. As I said, na battery is so low. Motor, battery सब low है नीचे. So center gravity is very low. There is no fuel up there. So it's so much more easier to manageable. Like scooter. 200 kg की but doesn't feel like 200 kg. Papa, what's the power figures? I think power figures यहाँ पे कुछ mentioned है. As I said, I don't care about spec sheets. I didn't even ask about spec sheets. I just went, rode the bike because I wanted to feel the bike. 40 bhp बोल रहे हैं इसका. Duke की कैटेगरी में आता है, समझ रहे हैं. 145 km/h because heavy है. Spec sheet देखो, मेरे से spec sheet मत पूछ. इतना मैं बताता हूँ. I am 5'9" and I was able to flat foot. इतना मैं बता सकता हूँ. Why you need to reverse cam in a bike? Don't people have able to turn heads? Why you turn heads? There's rear view mirror. Turn head it seems. You have rear view mirror. बहुत लोग ना क्या नाम है ये डैश कैम लगवाते हैं ना बाइक में, फ्रंट और बैक, to record everything happening around them, just in case something happens and then they have evidence for it. So that's why these cameras are there basically. And then you can use it as a rear view camera also instead of, and you get better view ना. कोई अगर आपके blind spot में है, I think a rear view camera will be more effective. तो हाँ, it was a good experience I'll say overall. अच्छा इवेंट था, वेल मैनेज्ड आई से. पापा पनीर नहीं खाया इतना मैं आपको. पापा जाके वहां उनका नाश्ता खाया, डोसा इडली, बट आई डिडंट ईट एनी काइंड ऑफ पनीर. ओके, बट इट्स अ फन बाइक, लाइक सो मच फन बाइक, लाइक यू कैन सो इजीली ड्रिफ्ट ऑन इट मैन. सो इट वाज बेसिकली लाइक अ ब्रेकफास्ट राइड फॉर पापा. इंस्टेड ऑफ गोइंग विद फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑल, आई वेंट विद अदर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स. इसलिए आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू शॉकवेव. इज देयर अपकमिंग ऑफ रोड मोटरसाइकिल. दिस विल बी अ नाइस फक अराउंड मोटरसाइकिल if they are able to pull it off. Good suspension, good chassis, टायर वायर हम लोग कुछ से चेंज करवा लेंगे. 2 चीजें अच्छी होनी चाहिए बस में. इलेक्ट्रिक बाइक है तो इसका टॉर्क फिगर तो मस्त होगा. On bloody X47 only we are having fun with the torque on the dirt. Just imagine on this how much fun we'll have. All I need is good suspension, good chassis. This will be a fucking amazing bike. Because of riding X47 now I'm looking forward to this motorcycle. How much is it for pre-booking? For $999 you can book it apparently. So I already had a chat with them. They said that very soon it will come. Not by the end of the year, much before that it will come. 120 kg they're saying, man. Wait, top speed 120. अरे गजब. Top speed से मतलब नहीं, off-road bike है. Enough for off-road. You need the torque. Now this is where actually a EV engine makes so much sense for me. It's so much fun to use these gearless EV bikes in off-road setting.